Alright, what's up, guys? I just recently got my Suzuki GSX-R 600. It's a great bike. I just recently also bought the new M4 exhaust for it. And when I was trying to decide on what exhaust I was getting, I was on YouTube and I couldn't find very many videos pertaining to exhaust setups. So I figured I'd give a quick little video and post it up on YouTube. So if anyone else is out there looking for exhaust, at least you could hear what the M4 sounds like. I just got it probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. Has about 1,200 miles on it. A couple days after I got it, I got the Fender Eliminator kit. I switched over to the GP style shifter. Got the M4 exhaust. I'm thinking about doing a cat elim pipe. So hopefully I'll make another video when I get that installed. So got the frame sliders there. Alright, so I'll start it up for you guys. It is already warm. I just went for a ride. I got stuck in the rain, so I figured I'd start it up, give it a couple revs, idle. I don't know if you guys can hear that rattle, but that's the OEM heat shield. I forgot to put that rubber piece that goes back on it. It looked a little weird without the heat shield, because you could see the clamp and the spring holding the exhaust on, so it kind of looked kind of ghetto. So I put it back on. I know they sell a carbon fiber one. I was thinking about picking that up. It does pop and burble a lot, especially on the D-cell. From like 600 RPM. I wish I had a GoPro, but I don't, so you just have to take my word for it. Sounds great. You see right there, I have just about 1,200 miles.